Hello everyone, my name is Łukasz Pyżyk. Today I would like to show you how to upgrade libraries in your application with a single command. But first we need to find some application. Let me introduce you to ZString. It's a cool library that allows you to use very fast string builder. It is a not typical string builder, but in this option it uses a struct instead of class, so it doesn't allocate the builder for itself. It uses some tricks like renting buffer from thread static field or renting it from array pool. It's commonly used, for example, across Unity. Let's imagine that you would like to be a very first contributor to this project. What you can do, you can upgrade libraries. How to do it nice? In the terminal, I've already forked and cloned the project. Let me switch to some working branch. For example, called bumped libs. I've already installed a tool called the dotnet outdated. So by saying dotnet outdated.help, I will give you a list of potential options that this tool allows us to use. For example, this tool can show us the versions that are out of dated. We can specify if we would like to take into consideration libraries in alpha mode or beta mode. And what is also nice, this tool can also upgrade the libraries. So let me give you a quick demo. By just calling dotnet outdated, the tool will scan the whole repository and will look through the all series approach and build the target.build. And by doing that, it will notice and it will find all libraries that needs to be updated. It takes some time because it goes through all your NuGet sources and all projects inside the repository. Yes, now it goes through the tests. Yeah, here we have an output. .NET Outdated discovered that, for example, system.text.json can be updated. Also, Fluent assertions and Microsoft.NET SDK can be also updated. Right now, you can, for example, open Visual Studio by calling zstring.sln and update the solution of Visual Studio. You can do it with Notepad, but there is a nicer way. You can call simply .NET outdated / upgrade. It will also take some time. It goes through the projects again and again and again. Now we have detection, and right now outdated tool is updating the libraries. As you can see, it updated the system text JSON, it updated Fluent assertions into project, and it also updated the test SDK. If you don't believe me, let's just call git diff. And right now you can see that the tool has changed several lines in series approach, and it decided just to update the libraries that they were available for being updated. Now, if you want to be a good contributor, you can just say the git commit bumped libs. And here you go, your first open source contribution is in front of you. Just push the repository and make a pull request. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video and the sound was better right now with new microphone. Yeah, see you next time.